Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather across the ArkLaTex as we go into the weekend and through all of next week. And it looks like another potential round of strong to severe thunderstorms possible, especially late tomorrow night into Friday. Today, though, very nice day with that mix of sunshine and a few clouds. Temperatures early this afternoon have warmed already into the upper 70s to low 80s, and we'll probably end up in the low to middle 80s for daytime highs this afternoon. This is what we're watching as we move into tomorrow evening. You can see an area of low pressure off to our north and west. Associated cold front also there. Ahead of it, we're going to stay warm tomorrow, but with more clouds, probably not as warm as today. And it looks like the main focus of any rain tomorrow will stay over the northern half of the ArkLaTex. But as that area of low pressure moves across the northern half of the area, we will see a couple of rounds of strong to severe thunderstorms during the day Friday. And then once the system moves off to the east, we'll begin a cooler weekend and then begin a stretch of dry weather that will last through the middle part of next week. I mentioned the thunderstorm. Storm Prediction Center indicating a slight risk over all of the ArkLaTex, but it does appear as if the risk will be highest near and north of Interstate 20. Basically, the northern half of the area is where that risk within this slight risk area will be higher. Here's a look at Robin Cellular Futurecast. Model does show a cluster of thunderstorms approaching the western edge of the area late this evening. This may be a bit too far south, and as it moves in, it likely will quickly weaken as it moves across the northern half of the area. And speaking of the northern half of the area, that's where the main focus of showers and a few thunderstorms will likely remain tomorrow. Most of East Texas and northwest Louisiana pretty much will stay dry tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms mainly over the north. And this is the cluster right here that could pose a bit of an issue as far as severe weather is. It'll be just to our west early Friday morning. This will track its way across the northern half of the area. You can see more thunderstorms that move in this area between Shreveport and Texarkana later Friday morning. And then this is associated with the area of low pressure, and this also could be a source of some severe weather as it moves across the northern part of the area late Friday afternoon through Friday evening. So again, several rounds of showers and thunderstorms possible Friday, but once that activity moves off to the east, we will stay cloudy Friday night and then should see the return of some sunshine on Saturday. As far as the severe weather issues, take a look at rotation potential. Again, a few tornadoes will be possible Friday. The Futurecast is showing these swaths of potential rotation, concentrated areas north of Interstate 20. As you can see, especially during the morning and perhaps another round in the late afternoon and evening, that's the location and the time frame that we could see any tornado issues across the area. Hail also will be a possibility with some of these thunderstorms, although probably not as big as we have seen at times last year, but still a little bit of hail possible. And this is a look at the Futurecast depiction of wind gusts associated with the thunderstorms, and I've turned all the colors off. The only colors you're seeing are wind gusts of at least 30 miles per hour. If you get into red, that's 40 miles per hour. The browns are 50. So again, we could see some gusts of 30 to at times approaching 60 miles per hour, especially with some of those stronger thunderstorms. Rainfall potential, you can see clearly heaviest over the northern half of the area. North of Shreveport into southwest Arkansas, a good 1 to 3 inches of rain will be possible, but notice the lack of rain further to the south. Hence, Futurecast indicating that the highest severe weather risk will be north of Shreveport. More than likely, as you move south of Shreveport, we'll see, again, the rain be a little bit more isolated in nature, at least the way it looks right now. Keep in mind, it's only Wednesday. We're talking about Friday. We have several more model runs to go. This is just a snapshot on what is indicated right now. All of us should be ready for the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms on Friday. Now, as far as what happens afterwards, here's the upper level disturbance responsible for the thunderstorms on the way. Once this moves by, we'll begin a good 5-day stretch of dry weather. Then another big upper level low will carve itself out across the southern Rockies. That could bring another severe weather threat late next Thursday night into Friday of next week. And then we could see that threat of rain linger into next Saturday. So all in all, it looks like some strong thunderstorms, a possibility here as we go through basically Thursday night into Friday morning here across the ArkLaTex. So let's take a look at the forecast across the ArkLaTex here for tonight, as we are going to see, again, the possibility for some showers and a few thunderstorms, mainly over the northern half of the area. You can see the rainfall chances, 20% Shreveport, but 60, 70, 80% tonight over the northern sections of the area, as lows will mainly be in the upper 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, again, chance for some showers and thunderstorms, but mainly over the northern sections of the area. Notice 10, 20% chances in East Texas and Northwest Louisiana, 50, 60, 70% chance further to the north up towards Texarkana, DeQueen, Idabel, and Hope. 10-day forecast shows that all of us will have the threat for thunderstorms on Friday. Weekend looks pretty nice as we spring forward. Saturday night it will be cooler with highs in the 60s. We warm up again next week with highs back to 80 by next Thursday. Another system will bring some thunderstorms late Thursday, Thursday night, and Friday with another little bit of a cool down as we head into next weekend. So again, looks like the threat of rain will return to much of the area tonight and tomorrow with strong to severe thunderstorms looking promising for much of the area on Friday.